Uh, uh, uh.
Oh, mate, the Vec. Not get a pathetic in the share. Aren't you feeling any better?
Honey Jean.
Oh, I know you're sick. I sent Rory down to the wedding at the school there. He should be back any time with the Banalicha. I'm sure she'll be able to fix you.
My friend says she's crazy. They saw her in the pasture collecting cow patties.
Oh, don't believe that stuff. No, remember when John Angus had the whooping cough? She fixed him up all right. And there was that wee baby over in Pondamashik. Baby's fine now. Oh, you'll be all right, I'm sure.
I'm afraid of her. Can we get the real doctor from town?
Oh, I was missing you. You weren't at the big wedding. Oh, no, we couldn't go. Look, I brought you a jillic. Oh, can't believe. Oh, not you so cold. Oh, Jenna Kerhorst.
Oh,
What's wrong with her?
I'm really fettig brother. Oh, which of them? It's a gruach.
The measles?
She's got the measles.
Are you sure?
And me bullet keen chuck.
Oh,
I think I've got something for that.
now what would you be using for the measles?
Now. Oh. Ben, you are.
Ben, you are. What would you be using mare's milk for?
I used that for John Angus when he had the whooping cough.
Well, it certainly did the job.
Ah, I shouldn't believe that. Let me see now. Oh, I don't know what I used that for. Oh, snarling Jeddak.
Oh, what would that be for?
I tied this around Annie Mae's neck with the blood of a black rooster for Chenya J.
I didn't even know that Annie Mae had the shingles.
Well, I fixed her up. She doesn't have them now. She's good.
Well,
Oh, Yeeky man count Hackin.
you wouldn't.
Oh, these are delicious.
Oh,
Oh, here it is. Towan a Coolry.
Towan and Goody.
Yes.
Is that for the measles?
Yes.
Well, I did put some water on there in case you
Okay.
needed it. But I didn't think you'd be using Towan and Goody.
It's the only thing that'll work.
What is that?
Oh, you might not want to know, Ian. Here now, we'll scoop up some of this. Oh, good. Perfect.
Ooh, Fujavan! It smells like bunyach.
Oh, well, it is from the sheep, you know.
Oh,
You get her to drink that.
oh,
I'm going to drink this.
Okay, mate, try just a little bit.
I'm not drinking sheep manure.
I'm sure it won't hurt you.
I'm not drinking sheep manure.
It'll make you better.
I'm not drinking it.
Oh, well, shit the way, it's your life. Well, I wish we were at the wedding.